Do you need to learn Excel 2016? Have you got Excel on your home or work PC, but you just don't know what it can do? If so, then our Excel 2016 Level 1 course with me, Fiona Hannon, Certified Trainer, is the right course for you. This Excel Level 1 course introduces you to the power of Microsoft's most recent version. Starting from the beginning, Level 1 guides you through step-by-step tutorials that are easy to follow. You'll learn how to open and close files, how to enter formula into cells, apply sorts and filters, and format and print a spreadsheet. At the end of the course, you can take our online assessment to gain certification, to prove to yourself and others that you are a skilled Excel user. Join thousands of people like you by getting the most out of Excel 2016. Enjoy the course.